Mianyang, Guangxin Import and Export Company Limited, founded in 2007, mainly engaged in export of edible oil equipments, screw oil press, oil filter, screw conveyor, oil refinery machine, oil press accessories, is subsidiary company of Sichuan Guangxin Machinery of Grain and Oil Processing Company Limited. The factory, which is a professional manufacturer of spiral oil press and its auxiliary equipment. Factory covering an area of 43,946 square meters with more than 200 staff members. The annual output is over 8,000 sets of oil presser and more than 1,000 tons of accessories per year. The products is multi-purpose for more than 30 kinds of oil seeds such as peanut, sunflower, sesame, flaxseed, soybean, cottonseed, mustard seed, rapeseed, coconut, corn germ, etc. The advantage of product is it's easy to maintain, wear-resistant and durable, long service life of accessories, adapt to a wide range of raw materials, high oil yield. We design oil processing projects for customers according to different types of oil seeds and different needs and budgets of customers. We have been participated in 25 sessions of the Canton Fair successively, participated in 24 overseas exhibitions, provided online technical support and offline installation training for overseas customers up to 1,000 times. Firmly believe in the concept of win-win cooperation. Welcome new and old customers from all walks of life to contact us. Work together to create brilliant.